SWOT analysis is one of the most widely used tools in business, but with popularity comes misunderstanding. There are several common misconceptions about SWOT that can limit its effectiveness or even lead to bad decisions. In this video, we're going to break those down and help you avoid the pitfalls. The first big misconception is that SWOT is just a brainstorming exercise. A lot of people treat it like a quick list-making task. Just throw some ideas into 4 boxes and call it a day. But SWOT is more than that. It's a structured strategic analysis. Each element, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, should be carefully thought through, backed by data, and prioritized. If you treat it as a surface-level checklist, you'll miss the deep insights it's meant to uncover. The second misconception is that SWOT only works for big companies or strategic planning sessions. Not true. SWOT is incredibly versatile. It's just as valuable for startups, small teams, nonprofits, and even individuals planning their careers. You can run a SWOT session for a product launch, a marketing campaign, or a personal development plan. Its simplicity is what makes it powerful, not a limitation. Another common mistake: mixing up the internal and external factors. Strengths and weaknesses are internal. They're about your resources, people, systems, and culture. Opportunities and threats are external. They come from the market, industry trends, competition, or regulation. If you confuse the two, your analysis will be off, and your strategies will misfire. Always check, are we talking about something we can control or something we need to respond to? Here's another trap: being too generic. A lot of SWOT analyses include vague items like good customer service or strong brand. These may be true, but they're not helpful unless they're specific and actionable. What exactly makes your service good? What is the brand strength based on? The more detailed and grounded your SWOT, the more valuable it becomes. A related issue is not prioritizing. It's easy to come up with a long list in each category, but not everything on the list is equally important. SWOT is most powerful when you identify the few factors that really move the needle. Don't just list everything. Highlight the things that truly define your current position and your path forward. This helps focus your strategic actions instead of spreading your attention too thin. One of the most dangerous misconceptions is thinking that a SWOT analysis leads directly to strategy. It doesn't, at least not on its own. SWOT is a diagnostic tool. It helps you understand the landscape. The real work comes after, when you start connecting the dots. How can your strengths be used to seize opportunities or counter threats? How can you fix weaknesses that put opportunities at risk? That's where strategy begins. Finally, many people treat SWOT as a one-time exercise. But great strategy isn't static. It evolves. Your strengths and weaknesses change. Opportunities come and go. Threats emerge unexpectedly. A SWOT done a year ago might be totally out of date today. The best leaders revisit SWOT regularly, using it as a living tool to guide ongoing decisions. In short, SWOT is simple, but it's not simplistic. When used with care, context, and clarity, it can be one of the most powerful tools in your strategic toolbox. But like any tool, it's only as good as the way you use it. Don't fall for the myths. Dig deeper, stay focused, and let SWOT work for you, not against you.